Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmilan Chess YouTube channel. Today I am going to give you 6 best chess tactics for advanced chess players part 2 video. I am going to give you 6 chapter one by one. This is first chapter. Okay, let's go to the first chapter. Hello everyone, this is chapter 1, best chess tactics for advanced chess players. Why turn now? I am going to give you 15 seconds only. You need to find the answer before the 15 seconds. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. The timer is running right now. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Everyone, this is chapter 1 answer. After the 15 seconds, I am going to give you the right answer now. White turn now. How to white checkmate and won the match. Okay, this is first move of what? Rook plus f6. Okay, rook sacrifice now. Then cut the rook by the pawn. Then queen go to d2. Okay. Then king go to g8. After the move, queen plus h6. Then queen go to d8. He cannot block the black because there is a checkmate right now. Queen g7 and beautiful checkmate. White won the match. That's it. This is chapter 1. We can go now chapter 2. Best chess tactics for card chess tactics for advanced chess players. Part 2 video. This is chapter 1. We can go now chapter 2. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 2. Best chess tactics for advanced chess players. Part 2 video. This is chapter 2. How to black won this match. Black turn now. I am going to give you 15 seconds only. You need to find the answer before the 15 seconds. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Okay, the timer is running right now. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone, this is chapter 2 answer. After the 15 seconds, I am giving you right answer right now. Black turn knight now. Black pushes b4 pawn. Attack the knight. Then e5. He pushes his pawn to e5. This is the wrong moves. Did white. That's why black win easily. You can see after the moves. Then b cross c3. That's it. Another move. White turn. White cut the e cross f6 knight. Then c cross b2. Okay, we will see f cross g7. Then b cross f1 and get the knight. This is the better move. Then g cross h8 and get the queen white. What now? Knight cut the white queen. Now black is just up a piece. Okay, understand? Black has so many pieces. That's why black easily won this match. Okay, this is chapter 2. Okay, we can go now chapter 3. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to Sharmilan Chess YouTube channel. This is chapter 3. How does white save the game? Okay, this is very stalemate game. You can see how to stalemate this game. This is a very interesting game for chess. Okay, the timer is running right now. I am giving you 15 seconds only. Okay, the timer is running.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, this is white turn now. How to white playing now. Okay, white rook cross d8 and beautiful check. Then king cross d8. Then queen d1 and beautiful check. This is bam, queen sacrifice. Queen cross d1. Then this is stalemate. You can see why stalemate. I am giving you the right answer. You cannot take outside because there is a check. Okay. He cannot move this pawn because there is a bishop here. There is a check. He cannot move this knight because there is a rook. Okay, this pawn not move. This pawn not move. This pawn not move. And this pawn also not move. This rook also didn't move. That's why this game is a very good, interesting game, because this is still made. That's it. This is chapter 3. We can go now chapter 4. Hello everyone. This is chapter 4. This is also beautifully still made. White just played d6, which is blunder. How does black draw? You can see. How does black draw this much? Okay. First white turn now. We will see. I am going to give you 15 seconds only. You need to find the right answer before the 15 seconds. If you know the answer, please say your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Okay, the timer is running right now in the right time. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone. This is chapter 4 answer. White and now. How does black draw? Okay. First move d6 white turn, then b3 black pawn, then h4, then b4, then h5, then bishop a4. This is beautiful move make black. You can see white. Then h6, then b5. Now d7. Now still made this much. King cannot move anywhere, and black pieces cannot move anywhere. That's why this is still made. That's it. We can go now chapter 5. Okay. Hi everyone. This is chapter 5. White and now how to white checkmate and won the match. You can see after the 15 seconds. I am going to give you 15 seconds only. You need to find the right answer before the 15 seconds. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. The timer is running right now in the right time. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. This is chapter 5 answer. White and now. How to white win the match and checkmate. You can see now. First to move white. White knight go to e8 and beautiful check. Then rook at the knight. After that rook cross f7 and beautiful check. Then king go to h8. Then rook cross h7 and check. Then king cross rook. Then rook f7 and beautiful check. Then king go to h8. Then beautiful move make white queen cut the pawn and no. Queen go to h3 check. Then black the check with knight. Then queen cross h6 and beautiful check. Another check. Then king go to g8. Then beautiful checkmate with white queen. Queen h7 and beautiful check. Mate. That's it. This is chapter 5. We can go now chapter 6. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 6. I am going to give you 15 seconds only. You need to find the right answer before the 15 seconds. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Okay. The timer is running right now. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Now white and now how to white win the match. e3. Okay, he cannot cut the rook. We will see how to won white and checkmate. Rook cross e3 and check. Then c3. Then rook cross c3 and check. He cannot cut. King go to a2. Then rook a3 and check. Then king go to b1. Then rook a1 and check. Then king go to c2. Then rook c1 and check. King go to d3. This is the beautiful game. Now rook c3 and check. He cannot cut. Rook go to e2. Then rook e3 and check. Then king go to f1. He cannot cut. Rook e1 and check. Then king go to g2. He cannot cut. Rook g1 and check. King go to f3. He cannot cut. Rook cross g3 and beautiful check. Then king go to e2. He cannot cut. Rook e3 and check. Then king go to d1. Then rook e1 and check. This is beautiful move make. You can see how to won white. Okay, king c2. Then rook c1 and check. Then king go to b3. Rook c3 and check. King a2. Then king rook a3 and check. Rook cross a3 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. if to take the rook in any other position, it is stalemate. That's why white won this match easily. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.